Welcome to the channel. In this video we will show you on how to create an auto-numbering system inside a gallery. This is very helpful for a lot of ways that includes pagination and filtering features. Next is how to create an alternate row colors inside the gallery. This concept is similar to Excel, where every other row follows a certain background color. Then finally, a simple concept where when a checkbox is selected, the specific row selected is highlighted too. If you're ready, let's head over to the demonstration. In the gallery, we will be using a demo data where it contains information such as product name, price, quantity, revenue, income, and actions columns. Start by selecting the target gallery. In this case, we're selecting Gallery 3. Then select Data Source under Display Properties section. This will allow you to automatically select the properties in the function bar at the top portion of the canvas. In the function bar, we will add a pre-built function using with, for all, and patch functions. The idea of this formula is to loop to each record in the temporary table based on the count of rows and table as record. It will then patch the sequence value as row number. Now we have our data source set up in the gallery. We can use the row number as value in our gallery. Simply type this item.row number in the text label. The sequence row value will automatically show in each row in the gallery. With this details, you will be able to sort, filter, or use pagination feature based on the result of the row number. If you're learning and enjoying this type of content or want to know more, please don't hesitate to add your comments. Also, please don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel. Now let's add alternating row color to the gallery. Simply head over to Gallery and select Advanced section. Search for Template Fill. This function is a simple if function, where if the number is even number there should be a background color. If the row number is odd, then the background color should transparent. And here is the final gallery with auto numbering system and alternating rows color background. And finally, what if we also want to add a checkbox where the user can select one or more records? That process is really easy. Go to Insert, search for checkbox, then click. Make sure the checkbox element is inside the gallery. We will format the checkbox properties so what the user will see is the checkbox only without the text. This also includes resizing of the checkbox to fit better in the format of elements inside the gallery. Then add rectangle inside the gallery. You can manually size the shape to cover all rows. Change the color of the rectangle. In this step, feel free to select color you see fit. Put the shape at the back of all elements by using the reorder option. Finally, change the visible properties of the shape based on if the value of the checkbox is only true, then the shape will also be visible. This is really fast and simple, and if you want to get a copy of this canvas, simply head over to the description box for links and free downloads.